Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Golden Pen. October 2018, I had decided to utilize my festival vacation on something that I would be grateful for the rest of my life. Vipassana meditation. You might have heard the name before. It is a world-famous meditation technique that teaches us how to face the reality of life and in what way we must respond. I have tried my best to summarize few reasons, on my personal experience, to join this course as soon as possible or at least once in a lifetime. Only then, you will be able to understand the importance of this course. 1. Noble silence. From the day 1 to the end of day 10, no meditator is allowed to communicate with other meditators, even in sign language. If there's any emergency to communicate, you must see the management or helpers. With the help of noble silence, you will be able to get the benefit of this course as much as possible. 2. No worship. You may have heard about the meditation courses where meditators are instructed to worship a certain deity. But it doesn't happen in this meditation. You are free from any limitations of religion. All the students are treated equally and no religious promotion is imposed. 3. No mantras. Similar with the second point, no mantra is chanted. You are supposed to meditate it with the help of your breathing pattern and the sensation instead of chanting a mantra. This meditation may be a painful process in the first 3 days, but eventually your brain and body will adopt and you will start enjoying it. 4. Discipline. The one thing I really loved about this course is discipline. It teaches the students to follow the routine and maintain a perfect balance between work and rest. In the description box, I have summarized the actual routine of this course. 5. No charge. Yes, you heard it right. This meditation is so priceless that imposing the charge would be a disrespect to this course. From lessons to accommodation, everything is free of cost. The sole reason of this course is to pull the humanity from suffering and make their life better. 6. Tasty and healthy food. Tasty and healthy meal will be served twice a day. As breakfast and as lunch. There will be no dinner from day 1 to day 10. But new students will be served fruits, puffed rice and tea at 5 p.m. You will definitely fall in love with the vegetarian food. 7. Life-changing experience. Vipassana meditation is indeed a life-changing experience. You will never understand its importance until you take the course. This course will teach you how not to react to the events that occur in this world. Life sometimes may be challenging for you, but the most important thing is your reaction toward it. Please, once in a lifestyle, take 10 days for yourself. Sign up for this course and join at your suitable time slot. You will find out what you have been missing in all these years of your life. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your comments will be very helpful for my future videos.